robe, he showed it himself after collecting all the fabric along the road in India, in Thailand, and cemetery, and showed it these robe by himself. I thought my robe is heavy, but his robe is much heavier than mine. Okay, mine is 4 layers of this one, and his is like 5, 6 layers. And of course, when I added those pins, then it's weight that much. Okay, without the pins, then it's less weight than his. And this robe also weight heavier than mine as well. And on his shoulder always have 2 bags. Same like us, all monks have 2 bags, the bowl to eat, and everything else belongs to the monks. And he walk, he always smile. You see him smile all the time. And when he's sick, the doctor give him medicine, he say, no need, no need, no need. Okay, he okay and okay. And then his feet is wear out just like mine every day. And those days, there's some days that we have to put on sandals because of the freeze, the cold, frostbite. We don't want to have that to happen at the last segment. And he's well known. He walked every year. And he's the one that take care of Aloka with me in India. 2022, where we found Aloka. That is the walk that is I joined, and along with him, the first time I met him in India with that walk. And so after that, we have similar things, similar way of practicing. So we are very close, and wherever we go, we are two just like a pair. Practicing and eating and sleeping and everywhere we are just like a pair together, and taking care of Aloka. Aloka love him so much too as well. And Vietnam people, Thailand people, India people, and people around the world admire him because the way of practicing, he never lay down. He sits to sleep. This is what he never disclosed, because that's a way of practicing. The monk not allowed to disclose the way of practicing, so that way he never disclosed it. But after so many monks talk about it, so now that everybody knows, so people ask him and he have to tell the truth, because everybody already know him, the way of practicing. And even though days he's sick and the doctor asked him to lie down so they can do the checkup, he said no. If you want to fix my back, if you want to help me, I'm gonna sit and you do whatever you want to do. Okay, that's him. Ajahn Pichet. Okay, his name is Pichet. Luchet. That's a lot of name, and Pia Thammo. That is his Dhamma name, Pia Thammo. And let us listen to his story. And he's the same Varsha with me, which is ordination age, same as mine.